Hi there, it's George here, and today I will have to show you something. I got some seeds of Pawpaw. Not sure if I pronounced the name correctly, but from the United States, from California, from a friend, James. He sent me before the papaya seeds, and here we go. The seeds arrived really quick, and I guess they are somewhere here. Well, I am very interesting to see what's inside, and yeah. And James said that the seeds need to be in the cold for 3 months in the moss, the sphagnum moss and the brown sphagnum moss. And it's time for putting these seeds to the stratification process. So we have to open this mail and see what's inside. Aye, it's not very sharp, this one. Well, after I cut this mail, we will have to see what's inside, and here we go. So looking the seeds of, puff puff, they say it's American, puff puff. And yeah, the seeds are like very big. Thank you so much, James. And I will sow these seeds, and but first I will have to keep these seeds in the refrigerator. It's called stratification, The scientific name is Asimina triloba. Okay, the name I will write in the video. Resisting has this zones to 5 to 9, but in my case I will grow inside. Maybe you write some comments about how growing it's not very. It's easy to grow in the pot, inside in winter time. Well, the next steps I have to do is to squeeze with water this moss, its sphagnum, and to put in the bag and put those seeds in the refrigerator for 3 months. After that, we will take the seeds and we'll put to germinate, and I hope will work for me. Well, now I will have to open this and see what seeds looks like. Well, so this looks like are very big seeds, as you can see. I hope they will germinate, but first, as I said, I have to put this in the moss and in the cold stratification process. Nice seeds. Well, it's time for adding moss, and we will open this bag. I can see some green pieces of moss. I guess it can be regrow again, But I will see, maybe I will grow moss too. It's interesting to grow moss. Now let's put it in water. Now we'll squeeze the moss and put, in my case I will put the moss in this stuff instead of zip bag. It's good this too. So just we take and squeeze very well to not have excess of water, and it's good, I guess. And now I will put in this glass. Over 3 months maybe the mousse will got green, but we will see. Now we take these seeds, Pawpaw, and put them here, and I will be very patient. Then I will wait for date of 15 June and I will take off, but until then they will stay in the cold. So we have to cover these seeds. Well, here is the date when I will take the seeds and cover the seeds. Well, here we go, so locking these seeds with this almost green moss, and after I shoot this outro I will do this in the refrigerator. That's it. Hope will germinate. I will keep you update. Stay tuned on my channel and subscribe if you want, and I will catch you next time. Thank you so much, James. Bye bye.